In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game F1 25 on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to see more content like this. Now what you need to do is quickly search up this game at Steam before we will continue to another website to download this game completely legally. So quickly search up the game, don't waste too much time on it, and select the game F1 25. Once you have opened the game page, scroll a little bit down and you will find out that we can download this game on Steam for €41.99. But don't worry, we have a workaround to save yourself even more money on downloading games online. What we need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page, and here we are going to search for the game F1 25. Search for the game. After that, select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now once you have done this, we will scroll a little bit down till we will find F1 25 for PC, which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work for you. Now once you have found a version, then select it, and after that open the game page. As you can see, we can already download this game for just €28 and 33 cents compared to the Steam price of €41.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. This website is completely legit, so once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!